Warm greetings, Africans. This is Devos Kosana. This is my channel. Guys, I'm going to be talking about Ace Magashule and his relationship with President Zuma. Why didn't Ace Magashule join the Umkhonto weSizwe Party? Because I was listening to the interview by this guy as the former Umkhonto weSizwe Party national organizer, right? He was talking and relaying the story about the meetings that he had, Ace Magashule and President Zuma, where he even convinced, he tried hard, but eventually managed to convince Ace Magashule to go and meet President Zuma in Nkandla, right? When they're preparing for the establishment of this Umkhonto weSizwe Party. But eventually Ace Magashule formed his own political party, the ACT, right? ACT. It's known as ACT, right?